Ndini zvangu Mukadzi WaJoshua, ndini zvangu Mukadzi WaJoshua, Munomzere Murume Wangu Joshua. So today I'm not happy at all. I came on here to address you guys about what you're saying per video randakaita na Mukoma JP. It's not like you guys, you don't know who Mukoma JP is. So to label me an HURE because of my reaction when I met with Mukoma JP, honestly, this is so uncalled for. Mukoma JP is the most successful musician to ever come out of Zimbabwe. He's among the most successful people in Zimbabwe. He's the most influential person to ever come out of Zimbabwe. So you guys judging me based on my reaction when I met with such a person, honestly, it's so absurd. I don't want to lie. It's so uncalled for. I wouldn't lie to you guys to say that I'm not happy. Of course, I always say that I've got a thick skin. I don't care about what people say. But honestly, on that reaction, it was out of pure joy, out of pure excitement. I was just excited. I was overjoyed. And the fact that Mukoma JP recognized that he knows me and he knows my husband, he knows my craziness and my nonsense on social media, I was in disbelief. It was unbelievable to think of it. I'm just a mere content creator who's trying to make it on social media. So for you guys to come up on here and judge me because of that reaction, guys, you can do better than that. You can do better than that. And you even went ahead to say that Hansi kana mukadzi anova excited zvekuchemera umwe murume iye ari married. Come on, this is not about my husband. This is about meeting the God. This is about meeting we all grew up listening to Mukoma JP. Who didn't? Who didn't? Can you come forward and say, no, I wasn't listening or I never listened to Mukoma JP growing up? That's a lie. That would be a bare lie. You can't be saying all those things to me, labeling me an HURE, and even come on here and say, Hansi, yeah, Murume wachana, this is a turn off to the husband. What would the husband feel when he sees his wife crying for another man? Hold on right there. Hold on right there. My husband is very much secured. He is very much secured about everything. He trusts me so deeply. So you guys still went on again and tried to include my husband on this? Bro, that's not nice. That's really not nice. That's so shallow. So guys, you can do better about it. You can do better. I was just so happy. I was excited and I do not regret everything I did because I was just being myself. Those tears were tears of joy, tears of excitement. I was very happy. Until now, I'm so grateful to that day. And I'm so happy that I met with Mukoma JP. And I don't regret my actions, my emotions, my reaction. I don't regret anything. So you guys, you better take that advice and go give it to someone else. To tell people hey, why would you cry for another man? Yes, I cried. So what? So what? And my husband is very much okay with it. Because he's the first person I have sent the video to before I even uploaded it on social media. And guess what? I uploaded the video after 3 days. Ndasangana na Mukoma JP. Because I was just, I started contemplating about it. And I even asked my husband, hey, should I post this one? And my husband was very much happy and okay with it. So for you guys to come and say, yeah, she's an HURE. Why would she do such a thing? Bro, I'm not an HURE. I'm not for crying out loud. Even if I was, can you just let me be? Can you just let people be? Stop, forcera vanhu kuti vararame zvamunoda. Are we still going to be living our lives when you guys are telling us how to behave, how to react, or how to be ourselves? Because I was just merely being myself. I was just being myself. So guys, I'm not happy. I wasn't happy with whatever you guys are saying. But anyway, ndini zvangu Mukadzi WaJoshua. And before you come for me, why are you explaining yourself? Stop explaining yourself. Behold, I'm a content creator. Given an opportunity, we try to milk from it. We gotta milk both sides. We gotta milk all the ends. So let me milk the situation. Bye.